Today's I will start the hospital and clinical pharmacy practical experiment number 2. Title: To prepare and evaluate water for injection IP. IP means Indian Pharmacopoeia. Concept: water, type of water and distillation. Type of water: two types of the water: distilled water or purified water and water for injection. Then proposition: water for injection is a pyrogenic distilled water intended for a use in preparations of medicine for parenteral administration. When water is used as a vehicle and dissolving or diluting substances preparation for injectable preparation. Then compliance test for the water for injection. याच्यामध्ये काय आहे तर वॉटर फॉर इंजेक्शन इज द पायरोजेनिक डिस्टिल्ड वॉटर इंटेंडेड फॉर कशासाठी तर यूज ऑफ प्रिपरेशन फॉर मेडिसिन्स फॉर पॅरेंटल ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. नंतर व्हेकल हे वॉटर म्हणून यूज केलेलं आहे इथं. नंतर त्याची कन्फर्मेटरी टेस्ट करायची त्याच्यानंतर. देन नेक्स्ट पॉईंट जनरल कन्सेप्ट स्ट्रक्चर. potable water or purified water, then distillation unit, water for injection, and then test of compliance as per IP 1996. Then learning objective, intellectual skill. कोणकोणते स्किल हवे आपल्यामध्ये तर टू अंडरस्टँड डिस्टिलेशन मेथड, टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट डिफरंट टाईप ऑफ द वॉटर, टू अंडरस्टँड द डिस्टिलेशन युनिट. देन मोटार स्किल, ते आपल्याला हँडल करता आलं पाहिजे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. नंतर ॲबिलिटी टू कलेक्ट अँड प्रिझर्व वॉटर, ॲबिलिटी टू इंटरप्रिट द टेस्ट, म्हणजे ते इंटरप्रेट करता आले पाहिजे टेस्ट आपल्याला. These are the apparatus. Glassware, managed to electrically heated automatic water, still or simple glass distillation unit, beakers, test tube holder, pipette, measuring cylinder, Nesler cylinder, stopwatch, and borosilicate container. And here are the chemicals of experiment 2. Methyl red solution, bromothymol blue solution, alkaline potassium mercury iodide solution, dilute ammonium chloride solution, ammonia buffer, pH 10. Mordant black second mixture, 0.01 molar disodium editate, lead standard solution 1 ppm Pb. 2 molar nitric acid, 0.1 molar silver nitrate, 10% weight by volume solution of potassium chloride. Diphenylamine solution, sulfuric acid, nitrate standard solution 2 ppm nitrite, 0.2 ppm. 2 molar hydrochloric acid, barium chloride solution, 1 molar sulfuric acid, 0.02 molar potassium permanganates, acetate buffer pH 3.5. Thioacetamide reagent, 1 molar hydrochloric acid, 6 molar ammonia, 1 molar sodium hydroxide, and prepare solution as per IP 1996. Then diagram, simple glass distillation. First is simple glass distillation. Distillation flask which used for heating the mixture and volatilizing the components. Secondly, condensers used for the cooling the vapors back to the liquid state, and a receiver in which concentrated or purified liquid called as the distillate. And lastly, collection vessel for collection. Then purpose, distillation is used to purify the compound by separating it from a non-volatile or less volatile material. This diagram is the simple glass distillation. याच्यामध्ये कसं काय केलं जातं तर जे फ्लास्क आहे त्याला ती असेंब्ली पहिल्यांदा जॉईन करायची. नंतर त्यामध्ये साधं पोर्टेबल वॉटर ॲड करायचं आणि खालून बर्नर चालू करून त्याची स्टीम तयार होणार. ती स्टीम कशामध्ये जाणार तर कंडेन्सरमध्ये गेल्यानंतर इनलेट वॉटरमधून वॉटर एंटर करणार आणि आउटलेट म्हणून वॉटर बाहेर येणार. तर हे कशासाठी असतं तर जे स्टीम आहे त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन वॉटरमध्ये होण्यासाठी, म्हणजेच ते कशासाठी यूज केलं जातं तर वॉटर फॉर इंजेक्शन. देन रिसिव्हर अडॅप्टर ऑफ द ग्लास इज युज्ड फॉर द रिसिव्ह solution, final solution, water for injection. These are the simple glass distillation unit. Then second diagram is the Manesti features. It is designed to provide pyrogen pre-distilled water easily. Complete unit made of the stainless steel. The liquid perfectly dressed and gets sealed inside the collar on the heat of the tank, which avoids the loss of steam and jumping of the liquid. याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं तर हे पूर्णपणे स्टीलचं आहे आणि ते वॉटर पूर्ण लीड आहे जे पॅक का केले जाते तर ते वॉटर जंप होऊन बाहेर येऊ नये म्हणून. देन स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेशन प्रोसिजर काय आहे ह्याची तर क्लोज द लीड. Manesti still operate which the leads as a safety valve. Open the water inlet supply to the steel using follow control needle valve. Wait until water can be seen flowing from outlet drain, approximately 5 to 6 minutes. Then before switching on the electrical supply, always check that the flow rate of the inlet water supply is sufficient and continuous. जो आतला वॉटर म्हणजे वॉटरचा फ्लो आहे तो कंटिन्युअस आहे की नाही ते चेक करायचं प्रत्येक वेळेस आणि सफिशियंट वॉटर फ्लो आहे नाही ते. द आउटलेट ड्रेन वॉटर फ्लो freely during the entire operation. There are no water leaks from the tubing connection. त्या ट्यूबिंग कनेक्शनमधून लीक असेल तर ते चेक करून घ्यायचं. These are the second diagram of Manesti electrically heated automatic water still. This diagram is used for the water for injection, preparation of water for injection. Then stepwise procedure. Water for injection obtained by distilling potable water or purified water from a neutral glass, quartz or suitable metals, still fitted with an effective device for preventing the entrainment of droplet. The still must be suitable maintained to ensure the production of the pyrogenic water, the distillate collected in the stored in conductions, designed to prevent the growth of microorganisms. First, preparation of water for injection IP. Take a sufficient quantity of the potable water or purified water in metal water steel glass distillation unit of neutral unit. जो डिस्टिलेशन फ्लास्क आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सफिशियंट वॉटर घ्यायचं, ते बॉईल करायचं using a burner or electricity. Then it is allowed to form sufficient steam. Then steam is condensed to water for injection using water condenser by distillation unit. Then first 15 ml portion is distillate is discarded and the remainder is collected in the suitable borosilicate container. Then rinse the container with water for injection and then reject that water for injection. Continues the process and collect the distillate in using suitable borosilicate container. ते borosilicate container मध्ये collect करायचं. Then water for injection should be used immediately for the evaluation as per IP 1996. Then evaluation of water for injection as per IP 1996. First is acidity and alkalinity. To 10 ml sample, add a boiled to 10 ml sample, then freshly boiled and cooled in the borosilicate glass flask. Then in this add 0.05 ml of the methyl red solution, and the resulting solution is the not red. These are the acidity or alkalinity. Then other is to 10 ml sample freshly boiled and cooled in the borosilicate glass flask, and add a 0.1 ml of the bromothymol blue solution. Then resulting solution is not blue. जर ब्ल्यू कलर आला तर ती टेस्ट पास होणार नाही. Then next is ammonia. 220 ml sample in the borosilicate glass beaker, add a 1 ml of alkaline potassium mercury iodide solution and allow to stand for 15 minutes. When viewed vertically, solution is not more intensely colored than solution is prepared at a same time by adding 1 ml of alkaline potassium mercury iodide solution to a solution containing 2.5 ml of dilute ammonium chloride solution and 7.5 ml of liquid benzamide. These are the ammonia test. फर्स्टली 20 ml सॅम्पल बोरोसिलिकेट ग्लास बीकरमध्ये टाकायचं. त्यामध्ये 1 ml अल्कलाइन पोटॅशियम मर्क्युरी आयोडाइड सोल्युशन अँड देन अलो टू स्टँड फॉर 15 minutes. Then view vertical solution is not more intensely colored than solution prepared at the same time by adding 1 ml of alkaline potassium mercury iodide solution to add solution containing 2.5 ml of dilution ammonium chloride solution and 7.5 ml of liquid being examined. Then calcium and magnesium. 200 ml sample in borosilicate glass beaker, then add a 2 ml of ammonium buffer and pH 10 15 mg or pH 10. 15 mg of the mordant black second mixture and 0.5 ml of the 0.01 molar disodium mediate. A pure blue color is produced. Produce a pure blue color. Then no pure blue color, then test is not passes. Then heavy metal, not more than 0.1 ppm determined by the method D. Test solution in a glass evaporating dish, evaporate 150 ml to 15 ml solution on a water bath. टेस्ट सोल्युशनमध्ये काय करायचं तर ग्लास इव्हॅपरेटिंग डिशमध्ये इव्हॅपरेट 150 to 15 ml सोल्युशन इव्हॅपरेट करायचं वॉटर बाथमध्ये. देन पिप इट आउट 12 ml सोल्युशन इनटू अ नेझलर सिलेंडर. नेझलर सिलेंडरमध्ये 12 ml पिप इट आउट करायचं सोल्युशन. देन मेथड डी, स्टँडर्ड सोल्युशन इनटू अ स्मॉल नेझलर cylinders. Then pip it out 10 ml of the lead standard solution 1 ppm pb. Use a lead standard 1 ppm pb to prepare the standard. Then procedure for the heavy metal test. Procedure for the heavy metal test. To the cylinder containing the standard solution, add a 2 ml of test solution and mix. To each of the cylinder 2 ml of the acetate buffer pH 3.5. Mix. Then add a 0.2 ml of thiacetamide reagent. Allow to stand for 2 minutes and view downward over the white surface. फर्स्टली सिलेंडर कंटेनिंग स्टँडर्ड सोल्युशन, त्यामध्ये 2 ml टेस्ट सोल्युशन टाकायचं आणि मिक्स करायचं. प्रत्येक सिलेंडरमध्ये 2 ml ॲसिटिक बफर pH 3.5 मिक्स करायचं. देन 1.2 ml थायामाइन रिएजंट ॲड करायचा अँड 2 मिनिट साईडला ठेवून द्यायचं आणि डाऊनवर्ड व्हाईट सरफेस बघायचा. Then the color produced with a test solution is not more intense than the produced with a standard solution. These are the procedure of heavy metal test. Then chloride. To 10 ml sample in a borosilicate beaker, add a 1 ml of 2 molar nitric acid and 2.2 ml of the 0.1 molar silver nitrate. The appearance of the solution does not change for at least 15 minutes. Firstly, in a borosilicate beaker, take a 10 ml sample, add 1 ml of 2 molar nitric acid, then 2.2 ml of 0.1 molar silver nitrate, and then appearance of the solution is not changed at least 15 minutes. So 15 minutes त्याचा काहीच बदल होत नाही. Then next is nitrate. To 5 ml in test tube immersed in an ice bath, add a 0.4 ml of the 10% weight by volume solution of potassium chloride, 0.1 ml of diphenylamine solution, and add a dropwise with shaking 5 ml of the sulfuric acid. Firstly 5 ml test tube immerse करायची in the ice bath. त्याच्यामध्ये 0.4 ml of 10% weight by volume solution potassium chloride ॲड करायचं. त्याच्यानंतर 0.1 मोलार diphenylamine solution ॲड करायचं ड्रॉप वाईज विथ शेकिंग 5 ml of sulfuric acid. देन त्या टेस्ट ट्यूब आईस बाथमध्ये वॉटर बाथमध्ये ॲड ट्रान्सफर करायच्या ॲट 50 degree Celsius and allow to stand for 15 minutes. And blue color in the solution is not more intense than the solution prepared at the same time. And in the same manner, using a mixture of 4.5 ml of the nitrate, free water, and 0.5 ml of the nitrate, standard solution, 2 ppm nitrate, 0.2 ppm. Then sulfate. To 10 ml sample in the borosilicate beaker, add a 0.1 ml of 2 molar hydrochloric acid and 0.1 ml of barium chloride solution. Then final appearance of the solution does not change at least 1 hour. Oxidizable substance. To 100 ml sample in beaker, add a 10 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid and 0.1 ml of the 0.02 molar potassium permanganate and boil for 5 minutes, and the solution remains faintly pink. 100 ml सॅम्पल बिकरमध्ये घ्यायचं. त्याच्यानंतर 10 ml 1 मोलार सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड ॲड करायचं. नंतर 0.1 मोलार 0.1 ml 0.02 मोलार पोटॅशियम परमॅग्नेट ॲड करायचं अँड बॉईल फॉर 5 मिनिट्स. देन सोल्युशन आर फेंटली पिंक. Then residue on evaporation. Evaporate 10 ml to dryness on a water bath and dry to constant weight at 105 degrees Celsius. The residue weighs not more than 1 mg. 0.1 mg, 0.01%. These are the stepwise procedure of this experiment. Here are the observation table. In first column serial number, second column name of the test, third column observation, color, turbidity, appearance of the test. Then last column inference. Name of test: acidity, alkalinity, test for ammonium, test for calcium and magnesium, test for heavy metal, test for chloride. As like if test is positive, then write here in observation table these color are appear, these colors are not appear. And inference, if test is passes, then here are the test is passes. Then calculation. For a residue on evaporation, first calculation, weight of empty porcelain dish is X. Then weight of the porcelain dish with water for injection is Y. Then weight of porcelain dish plus residue after evaporation at 105 degrees Celsius is Z. Then weight of residue on evaporation. How it calculate? For, Z minus X. Z is weight of porcelain dish with residue after evaporation at 10 degrees Celsius minus X means weight of empty porcelain dish. And these are the calculation of weight of residue on evaporation. Then here are the result of experiment 2. Water for injection passes the fails or follow test. If test is passes, then here write a test is passes. Then if test is not passes, so it is does not comply. Here are the over experiment number 2. Thank you.